Selamat pagi and a very good morning everyone. So welcome to Augmented Reality Lab session again. Okay, so for today lab session, okay, we're gonna learn on this augmented reality marker base, okay, and also we're gonna set up an on-screen joystick, okay, so we can move this virtual object around. And I'm gonna work on our previous lab, okay, which is the work that we did in our previous lab. Okay, so I hope that you still remember how to set that Vuforia, how to upload the 3D models, and also how to get the key, okay, the development key from the Vuforia, and then setting up inside this Unity. Okay, this is just the same step like we did in our previous lab, but for this lab I'm gonna show you on how we're gonna set up on-screen joystick, okay, so that we can move this cat around, okay, based on the joystick. So make sure that you have this work done, okay, before we go and then have our joystick. Okay, so let's go to uploaded, okay, uploaded the on-screen joystick first. In order to get the joystick working, okay, we need to import that joystick first. In order to get that joystick, we need to get that from this asset store. Okay, you go to this asset store, make sure that you have registered and also have the account to this Unity asset store before you can download and also import that into your Unity asset. Okay, you go inside this asset store and then you search for the standard asset. Okay, standard asset. Okay, inside this standard asset we can get that on-screen joysticks inside this library. Okay, you scroll down. Okay, so here is the standard asset. Okay, so you need to click at this. Okay, if you haven't downloaded this yet, there will be a button download here, so you will need to click at the download button, okay, before it's become import button. Okay, you need to click download first and then click import. For my case, I have downloaded this before, that's why there is a button import here instead of download. So after you download, you click at this import button. Okay, and then just wait until they're done importing this package to us. Okay, just wait until it's done for importing this package. Okay, after that they will ask us whether we want to import this standard asset or not, so just click button import. Okay, just wait until it's done importing this package. Okay, just wait until it's done. Okay, once the standard assets have been imported into your asset folder down here, you will see there is a standard asset folder name here. Okay, so from this standard asset folder, you need to actually drag the mobile single stick control prefab into the scene. Okay, so you find the cross platform input here. Okay, cross platform input folder, and then you go to the folder name prefab. Okay, and then you find the mobile single stick control. Okay, this one gonna be our joystick. Okay, mobile single stick control. So just drag this into the hierarchy on your left hand side here. Just drop it. Okay, and then you will need to delete the jump button. Okay, we're not gonna use this jump button, we just not gonna use the mobile joystick, so we need to delete this jump button. Okay, so just select jump button, okay, and then delete at using your keyboard. Okay, so you need to delete it one by one. Okay, jump button, select, and then delete using your keyboard. Okay, so just left this mobile joystick, so back again to this hierarchy. Okay, so for this mobile joystick, okay, once we have deleted the jump button for this mobile joystick, we need to up the scale to 2 on this mobile joystick child. Okay, so you can go to your right hand side here. Okay, increase the size or the scale of this joystick to 2. Okay, just change to 2, 2, and also 2 on these 3 direction, X, Y, and Z. Okay, okay, and also need to change also the movement range here. Okay, the movement range from 100 can change to 50 for movement range here. Okay, now we can go to this cat, this here. Okay, the cat object here, cat idols. Okay, for this cat 3D models, you can get from the asset store. Okay, for this, to use the same model as I used in this lab session, you can go to this asset store. Okay, you search for this cat. Okay, you search cat, and then with the criteria of free 3D models, and also, okay, you search for the cat, and then these categories you can refine and also filter by using the 3D option, and also free asset. Okay, you scroll down, and then you find this white cat here. Okay, this cartoon cat, and then you just download this one. Okay, download and also import. So you can use this the same 3D model as I use here. Okay, and inside this cartoon cat 3D models here, there are a few 3D model with animation. Okay, cat eat, cat idle, cat jump, cat sound, and cat walk. Okay, for this to be used inside this image target, I drag this cat idle. Okay, the cat idle, I use this on this image target. Okay, now you can click at these cat idols in this hierarchy. Okay, select this cat idle, and then we need to add the rigid body component. Okay, so you can go to your right hand side here, click at this button. Okay, add component. Okay, and then you choose rigid body component. Okay, you can just search from here, rigid body component. Okay, which is the first one, rigid body. Okay, rigid body here, select. Okay, and then you need to uncheck use gravity here. Just now is selected or checked, so you need to uncheck this use gravity. Okay, uncheck. Okay, and then we need to add or to create a new C# script. Okay, and then we need to call it as a cat controller. Okay, so in order to do that, okay, to create a new C# script, we need to select this add button again. Okay, add button, and then you choose new script. Okay, if you cannot find it, you can just search from here. Okay, script. Okay, select this new script. Okay, name it as a cat controller. Okay, with the C here is capital letters, and then the C for this controller also capital letters. Okay, select create and add. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, so you will see that the cat controller script has been added up to here. Okay, so you need to double click on this cat controller here. Okay, double click on this. Okay, double click on this area. Okay, to open it in a mono develop or the studio. Okay, for the script. Okay, double click on this. It will open up in the Visual Studio to open up this script for us. Okay, so for this step, okay, I will provide you with the script, okay, in the column. So you just need to copy this script. Okay, copy, and then also need to replace with this one. Paste is here. Okay, we have a function of this cat controller and so on. Okay, so I will provide the description, okay, on this script, so you can understand it later on. Okay, so now you have paste this script on this function of cat controller. Okay, so now we are ready with the script. So get back to Unity here. Okay, and then we go to this cartoon cat folder again. Okay, cartoon cat folder here, and then select the cat with the idle animation here, cat idle here. Okay, and then we need to change the animation type of it. Okay, in order to do that, okay, you select this cat idle. Okay, and then you go to the right panel here. Okay, on this rig tab here, select rig tab up here, and then on this animation type we need to change to legacy. Okay, change the type to legacy, and then select apply. Okay, and then we need also to change that for the animation of the 3D that we want it. Okay, so for example, I choose the walk animation. Okay, within the cat idle, I want this cat to be walk using that joystick. So I choose the cat walk here animation here. Okay, the cat walk here, and then I go to this right hand side here. Okay, under this rig tab again, you do the same, which is you under this animation type you change to legacy, and then select apply. Okay, and then we need to expand the idle cat here. Okay, we work on this cat idle, and then you need to click expand. Okay, when I said expand here, you need to click at this sign here. Okay, this icon, which is expand this cat idle animation here. Okay, select this expand, so it will expand your selection inside this cat idle. Okay, so we need to click and also select the animation file, which is this one. Okay, this icon is representing the animation file of this idle, so select this one. Okay, and then click edit on your right hand side. Edit is up here inside this inspector here. Okay, edit, so you select edit here, and you need to change the wrap mode to loop. Okay, so you can scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and then under this wrap mode, okay, we need to change to loop. Okay, wrap mode down here, change to loop. Okay, you can rename this as an idle, IDLE, and also select apply. Okay, and we need to do the same for the walking animation as well. Okay, so you go to this catwalk here. Okay, and select expand, which is click at this icon to expand this catwalk. Okay, and then we need to select the animation file, okay, which is this one. Select, do the same, which is go to edit up here on your right hand side, edit. Okay, and then under this wrap mode down here, you scroll down. Okay, wrap mode here, change to loop, and select apply as well. Okay, and then we can go back to this cat idle inside this hierarchy. Okay, select cat idle. Okay, this game object cat idle in the scene, and then change the animation size to 2. Okay, animation size on your right hand side here. Okay, you can expand this animation tab. Okay, the size you can change to 2. Okay, and then we need to drag. Okay, we need to drag the walk animation into this element. Okay, after we select the size of this animation of 2, you will see that it will expand the element 0 and also element 1. Okay, so it can be exchanged. Okay, from element 0 is idle, and then element 1 here we want to change it to walk, so that it can actually change from the state of idle to the walk. Okay, so we need to drag this walk animation, okay, into this element number 1. Okay, so select this. Okay, drag this walk animation file here. Okay, drag this one and then drop it inside element 1 here. Okay, drop it here. Okay, okay, and that's it. Now we want to try, and also we want to test whether this is working or not. Okay, when we click at that play button, okay, the cat will walk around our marker in whatever direction we move the joystick. Okay, so we want to see that whether it's working or not. Okay, so here this is the image target that I have, which is this glade image. Okay, so I'm gonna point it on this web camera. Okay, so this is the cat on top of our image target, and then this is our joystick. Okay, on-screen joystick here. So when we move around this joystick, so this 3D cat will walk away as well. Okay, based on our direction here. Okay, just now is in the idles animation, and then when we move this joystick, okay, in whatever direction that we want, so this cat also supposed to walk into that direction that we actually move this joystick. Okay, for example, I move this one, so it's walk away. Okay, you can control that joystick to the right, okay, to this left, to the front here. Okay, it walked away, and also based on this joystick direction, and it's not static on our marker anymore. Okay, it's out of our marker already. Okay, just now I control it this joystick. Okay, so let's try your own whether it's working or not. Okay, so thank you very much for this lab session. See you guys again in our next lab session. Have a good day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.